Today on HooptieDoodle, we do some drinking, we cook some chicken, and we make a bottle holder. Get a start on today is, this guy here, been doing some drinking. Jägermeister, this is a bottle. I like the bottle, basically, and so this bottle is going to go right here. I'm gonna mount that on the side of the bike, and that is for this guy here, which is my overflow from the coolant from the radiator. So that will mount right there, and then we'll have my hose run directly into the bottle, and that is my coolant overflow. So that's the plan. All right, so in my quest to make my little coolant overflow tank, this guy here, I need to make a little holder for this to adapt it to the bike so it will have a place to live. To do that, I'm going to use some 10 gauge flat stock, I think this is like 20 gauge, 18 or 20 gauge flat stock, some 1/8 of an inch round stock there, half inch, this is half inch round stock. I'm gonna put all these things together along with this guy. My dad had this in his new old stock. This is an M6 little screw bolt thing with an Allen wrench head on it. And he also had these little red anodized lock washers in there. So, and I've got a tap here. So I'm gonna tap this guy with my little M6 thread, and then this guy will thread down into here, and then we'll make this guy into a little hoop that goes around the head, the throat of the bottle there. And this screw will go down through that hoop. I need to have a little thing for the back side of that. I'm gonna actually, we've got some brake line. Might use that as my little housing for that thing to slide down in. So I'm going to start off by making my little hoop for the neck of the bottle here. You can see the neck of the bottle. This pipe here is about the same diameter, maybe a little bit wider than the actual neck of the bottle, which is perfect because I'm going to use this guy to bend my hoop around. So here's my ring, it fits my bottle. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and trace out this guy onto here. All right, let's see how it fits on there. Oh, it's quite lovely. I've got everything bent around my little plate here and tacked in several places. And now I'm going to go ahead and where these sort of two seams meet up here, I'm going to go ahead and cut it right down the middle here, weld everything together. I've got these two little thread holes that I'm going to use in order to make my template to know where I want to drill my holes. And I'll line my tape up with the edge of this pipe. Alright, I think that's pretty close. There's one hole. There's the other hole. All right, now we've got our leftover brake line right here, which I'm going to cut and then weld this little hoop to. There. Now this guy fits down right about like that. Alright, we've got the hoop done. Look at this beautiful hoop there, huh? Look at that hoop. Alright, so we got the hoop done. This guy goes into the hoop like that. Look at how smooth that looks. Nice. And then the threads come out the bottom like so. And then they thread into this guy. And then we got to figure out just how long this needs to be now in order to make this work. So, needs to be about that long. Alright, I've gone ahead and tacked a little hoop thing onto my base plate, backing plate, whatever you want to call it. And next step is to tack the bottle part onto this little part. I think it actually works.
Looks good.
Alright, here it is. It's done. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I think I'm getting better at this metalworking stuff, at least to some degree. And that is also how much liquor we've drank today. Oh boy. And it is very secure in there. I can shake the whole bike with the bottle there. So I am confident that no one's going to steal my liquor while I'm sleeping. Alright, I really need to empty this bottle out so I can use it for my bike here. And I've been thinking really hard about how to do that and how to do it properly. And I'm thinking barbecue.